gonna go on a quick test drive here. I love this shifter here. Makes it really fun to drive. Steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Brakes feel good. Got a good turning radius. Car shifts really well. So far, really minimal creaks in the car. Suspension feels really nice. The steering is great. I absolutely love the red in here. It makes it look really good when driving. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at this wheel, you do have curb rash. A little chip here, a little more rash right there. From a distance, the chrome looks really nice though. Of course, up close, it is pitted. You're gonna see some imperfections. Looking at the fender, typical little rock impacts. A couple small scuffs here and there. That emblem looks perfect. Overall though, that fender is in great condition. Looking at the side mirror, little rock impacts. Little scuff there, otherwise looks good. Making our way down the door. Little scratch, couple little chips. I don't see any other damage larger than just a couple little scuffs and scratches. Now down here you're going to see rock impacts and rock chips kind of peppered throughout that lower section. This looks really good. And then same with this wheel, from a distance looks really, really nice. Of course, you get up close, you're gonna see the pitting. Little scuffs and scratches, minor rash. Couple little scuffs here and there. Otherwise, that's in great condition. Checking out the front. Here on the emblem, you're going to see the wear, and then you're going to see little rock impacts throughout the front, little rock chips here and there. Kind of notate some that stand out. You're going to have a couple across the hood. I don't see any other damage on that hood other than the little rock chips and scuffs. That marker light looks good. That mesh looks really nice. Typical little rock impacts. That mesh looks good. That marker light's clean. You do have some rash right here. Looks like it's been touched up. Now keep in mind I'm way underneath the car here. So you're gonna see some little rash. Kind of walking around it from a couple feet off the ground. I don't think you're going to see it. And then of course, eye level and 3 or 4 feet away, it's gonna look really, really good. All right, looking at the engine bay, looks amazing. Battery is from 7 of 2022. All of this looks really, really good. Now this liner is separating from the backing a little bit, but overall it's in great condition. You can just see how clean this engine bay is. Looks really good. All right, checking out the driver's side here. A couple little rock impacts, a few small rock chips. Overall, that's in great condition. Now this wheel does have curb rash around it. It's around most of the wheel. And then you're gonna see the pitting on the barrel. But from about right here, it looks good. That emblem is absolutely perfect. You can see the depth in this paint looks really good. Very minimal swirls in it. It was freshly polished, so it looks awesome. Overall in great condition. Plastics look good. Got a little chip here. And then of course you're gonna see the chips and the rock impacts on that lower section. There's a larger chip here that's been touched up. Overall, that looks good. Typical little rash on the wheel, little corrosion, but otherwise looks good. All right, checking out the back. Let's start with the deck lid. That emblem is in really good condition. You have a couple little scuffs on the bottom, but otherwise looks good. Deck lid, it looks nice. Taillights are super clear. They're in great condition. I don't see any damage other than just some little scuffs, some scratches here and there. Like a little scratch right there. Otherwise, that looks really good. Checking out the trunk. Looks good. All that's clean. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it looks really, really good. This upper panel, absolutely perfect. These buttons are in great condition. The only wear is right here on this speaker cover. You can see some of the red has chipped off. I imagine that can get resprayed and look really good. Lower section looks nice. Typical scuffs on this plastic trim. Overall, that looks good. And looking at the seat, you do have a lot of wrinkles right here and right here. But the rest of that's perfect. Then looking at the bottom side, you can see the wrinkles. I see a stain right there. That bolster looks really good, but overall that is a really clean seat and I don't see any rips or tears. Got all the red under here, looks good. Looking at the steering wheel, that's in really good condition. These buttons look nice. Trying to look at the upper side of the dash here. That looks good. Oh, that looks nice. It's kind of dark in some spots, but this is a really, really clean car. Here on the passenger door panel, the upper section looks good. Those buttons look perfect. Handles on there nice and secure. That red looks really good. Tiny scuff here on the speaker cover, but otherwise that's in great condition. See a couple bubbles on the trim here. Looking at that bolster, overall looks amazing. That one's nice and clean. You can see the back side looks really good. This is in really, really good condition. Here on this side, all that plastic looks good. Carpets are nice and clean. Glove box looks good. Upper side of the dash is really nice. The headliner looks good. And then checking back here. Looks really, really nice.